Hey all you viewers, it's Steven here. So today, it's spring break. I decided to make another Tinker Crate. I think you remember my last one I made, the spin art, if you see my YouTube video earlier. Anywho, I'm just gonna show you what my lanterns do, made by Tinker Crate. Okay. So down there. Now down there, right here, are my lanterns. Yeah, got some kind of space orb right here I made. A flower. And a pyramid. Pyramid was a little bit hard to do. The chirping here is my parakeets. I bet you hear that all the time every time I post something. So, these are simple to make. They have instructions and everything. And if you can't read it by instructions, you can always go on Tinker Crate on YouTube. Help me how to build this thing. I use the instructions and the video at the same time to make sense out of it. Anywho, I'll just show this off to you. Get a little closer. Okay, adjust. Okay, here I am. First I'm going to show you the space orb one. Now, you can notice there's a battery right here that will power up the light. And how to connect it, in the bottom, there's the wires, electric tape, and on top of here is a light bulb. Here it goes. You can see that glow? There are other materials I use, but I'll show you that after. Okay, this is the space one. Some people like decorating it, but I don't have the proper art tools to make the stickers, well, to glue it on anyway. I'll show you the next ones. There we go. This one's a flower. I think it's obvious that this is a flower version. When you move it around, it's kind of turn on and off. It's a little bit disconnecting, but I know how to work it. The question is, when you start building it, make sure the powers are connected before building the lanterns. So they're completely safe to use. Because it's Tinker Crate. Tinker Crate always means safety. I'm going to show you the pyramid. This was a little tricky to make. But, well, for me anyway. But, I managed to keep the circle connected on each circle. Gotta make sure that there's so many holes for that light to get through. And here we go. Yep. Pyramid's green, which means space orb is red, the flower's yellow, and pyramid's green. It's amazing, isn't it? There. And like I said, I have other materials as well, which I'll show you that also. So I'll show you right now. Just give me a second. Here, I'm sorry, my light's right in the way. Here it is. These are materials I use. They come with yellow, blue, green, red, white. These are just the extra connections to for getting the power touching. So they're called, I think they're called restores, I think. Restores. So I think you guys know what those mean. If you use a Tinker Crate, that is. So back over here again. I know it's a little difficult to see with my lamp on, so let me turn that off. See the glow. Show you these one more time. Yeah, they're great when they're at night. So once you build it, you'll get a lantern. It's kind of, I know what you're thinking. It kind of reminds you like Tangle lantern, except these don't fly. These are meant to be on ground. They'll light up your room, anything. So you can go one at a time each. And one of them came from a bonus, which I'll come face to face with me again. Hold on, let me just zoom out. Oh, hold on, you can't see me. There I am. Also come with bonuses in this Tinker box. I got robots. Oops. I'm being silly with myself. We got the green one and an orange one. So, yeah, you can also build these and to make them like the lanterns. Yeah, you'll have robotic light up eyeballs. Well, when you build them, it'll be like the same thing except it's different. Except the instructions for the robots are not in these instructions. It's in a magazine that comes with it. Any experiment you like with science. But you'll know about it because Tinker Crate got, well, show you everything about science and building things, like something simple. Well, that's all I wanted to show you about the lanterns I was talking about and the other material stuff instructions. Thank you for watching. Have a great spring break.